Hi, I'm Ron from Ron Rory Law, and today we're going to be talking about customer agreements. Now, customers and clients, they form the lifeblood of your business. These are the people who pay you money, and they voluntarily give you money in exchange for goods or services that you as a business are providing. Now, have you thought about the terms? When was the last time you sat down and asked yourself, does this customer agreement reflect the way that we do business? And what I mean by that is a lot of clients will have a short one-page invoice. And the problem with that is that an invoice in and of itself doesn't contain all of the various provisions for payment terms, delivery, what will happen if somebody's unavailable to receive the goods, when do they get returned to the factory, when does another party owe money for goods that they do receive, and then are they allowed to return those goods? These are all great questions that may be covered under various statutory law or another code like maybe the UCC. But in absence of relying on those types of statutory regimes, it behooves you. It's incredibly important for you as a business to take control and know what those terms are and then implement them into your business proactively. So I'll talk about a great example is payment terms. Most people want to get paid sooner. And on the other hand, most payees want to pay later. So how do you resolve this type of tension? The key is to put very clear terms about payment. When should something be paid for when it's received? What are the processes for disputing a payment? Do those funds have to be paid first and disputed later? Or is a customer allowed to withhold a payment and remain in good standing and continue to receive other goods that they've ordered? For example, a customer might have multi-channel open with you that they order lots of different products. What happens if they have a dispute on one shipment or one product? Are they allowed to withhold payment on an unrelated product order that they did receive and they admit that they've have no problems with that order? These are the types of difficult situations that you need to have the client acknowledge ahead of time and say that I will not withhold payment for any other order. I will only withhold payment for one relevant order, and every separate invoice is a separate transaction and a separate relationship channel in and of itself. So that's just one example, but you can avoid disputes and you can free up cash flow for you and create reliable cash flow for your business by looking at accounting payment terms and figuring out a consistent approach so that all of your clients understand the payment terms and all of your vendors understand when you're going to pay them. If you have any more questions about this vital document, please contact us and we can discuss more.